Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So based on the title, you guys see that I'm going to go through the reverse income tax credit so that you guys can see how easy it is to apply for that 20,000 Jamaican dollars from the government of Jamaica. So I have someone's detail here with me, so I'm going to do it for someone. So there you will have the step-by-step guide as to how to go about getting your $20,000 from the government of Jamaica. So stay tuned for this video and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, let's get into it. So guys, before we get started, let's just make sure that you are eligible. For eligible persons, you must be earning $3 million annually. That's 3 million Jamaican dollars annually. This goes for both self-employed as well as employed persons. For self-employed persons, ensure you're showing your annual taxes and also contributions, all right? And these must be paid up by August 31st, 2024. For employed persons, please ensure that your employers are paying those taxes, because I've seen many horror stories of persons who think that they are throwing taxes because it's showing on their payslip, but in reality, their employers are not paying their taxes. So check with them. And if you're still not certain, you can go download the NHT app, and that will just log in. If you have not had any login information, you just sign up and you can see that for yourself on the NHT app. All right, guys. Now, make sure you have a working email address that you have accessibility to. Also, a phone number, as well as your TRN number, banking details, or remittance details. All right, guys, that's what you need right now before we start. So gather those information and let's begin. So the first step is to go to the Ministry of Finance website. So I type in that on Google, as you're seeing now on your screen, and I'm going to select the first option that came up, Ministry of Finance and Public Service website. As it comes up, the first thing you see is reverse income tax credit, apply here. That's what we're going to click. So if it scrolls, just go back and scroll to the first one. As you're seeing, apply here. Click that. When it loads up, it tells you reverse income tax is a financial initiative of the government of Jamaica designed to assist persons earning below $3 million annually who meet the specific criteria will receive a one-off payment of 20,000 Jamaican dollars. So we're going to click apply here. Once you click apply here, I'm just smalling my screen so you guys can see. All right, the home page tells you who is eligible, tells you more about the reverse income tax. You guys can read that in your own time. So the next step now is to click apply for reverse income tax credit. So I'm going to click that. Once you click that, there's a question that comes up. It says, is your total taxable pay or statutory income less than $3 million? You're going to select yes. So I'm selecting yes. And then the next information comes up. I need to put in my TRN, first name, middle name, as well as my date of birth and my last name. All right. And then I click next. I'm going to do that offline, come back. These are information you have on hand, so there's no difficulty here. You just put in your TRN number, your first name, your middle name, last name, date of birth. It goes by year, month, and day. Then you click next. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, guys. So once I click next, the next thing that comes up is your mobile or cell phone number, email address, and then you click which method of communication you want to receive the information off of. So it's either your cell phone or your email address. For this option, this person wants me to put in their email address as their method of communication. That's where TAJ will send you a code that you will have to put in. So ensure the email address is correct and is accessible, and also your phone number. So I'm going to do that, select next, and then go to the next step. All right guys, so now we are finished with the contact information. We did the first step, which was reverse income tax credit. Then we did the contact information. Now the last step, well, the third step I should say, is your bank details or your remittance details. And then you review the application and you submit. So I'm going to enter this person's bank details and then get right back to you. All right, so just enter your bank details. As you can see here, when you click bank account, you have bank name. The bank names that are there are CIBC, JN Bank, NCB, Sagicor Bank, and VMBS. I'm sorry for all my Bank of Nova Scotia persons, but that's not there. All right, so you have to select the option that is there, or you can select to get it from remittance, which is via Western Union or any other banking details. Well, I should say any other means of getting your money. All right, so I'm going to enter this person's information and then come back. So once you reach select method of payment, you just select whether you're doing bank account or through a remittance agency such as JN, Lasco, or VM transfer. And these have a fee to be transferred. All right, so I'm just going to work with bank account because this person wants their bank account. The 20,000 Jamaican dollars be sent to their bank account. All right, so now I am at the review stage, reviewed all my information and made sure it's correct. Next is submit. So here they say, I declare that to the best of my knowledge and belief, this is a true and correct statement of the information and particulars given on this form. Are you sure you want to submit? I'm going to say okay. And there, your application for this has been approved. And that is all. You can print it as you feel like, or they're going to send it to your email address as well, guys. So no worries. And that is all. 4 simple, easy steps. All right, guys, now we have reached to the end of our video. I hope you guys follow these steps and it is easy for you to go online and now get your $20,000 refund. All right, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. If you have any more comments or if you have any more questions, just comment it down below. I will be glad to assist. Also, guys, I have my small business now. This is it, where I provide services, online services for my customers, including passport renewals, driver's license application forms filled out, learner's license application forms filled out, traffic ticket payments, this as well, so more and many more. So you guys can contact me. This is the information right here that's on the screen, and let me know how I can be helpful. Only 3,000 Jamaican dollars for any service. All right, so like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.